Kung saan nga may masarap ay dapat na pinupuntahan. Teka, Video Cafe? Wow! Video Cafe Grill and Cafe. Matlatagpuan ang Video Grill and Cafe dito lamang sa 241M Concepcion Avenue, San Joaquin, Pasig City. Agaran mo makita ang kanilang entrance tungo sa rooftop dahil nasa gilid na bahagi lamang ito ng Chooks to Go. Bukod sa kanilang pagkain, pati na rin sa kanilang buy one take one drinks na talagang patok sa masa, ay bubungan agad sa inyo ang kanilang malinis na order area, maaliwalas na lugar, magagandang ilaw, at preskong hangin na tsak na ma-enjoy nyong magbarkada, magpartner at maging ng inyong pamilya.
Pero teka, kung may masigit na dapat magpakilala sa cafe na ito, ay wala nang iba pang dapat pang hanapin kung hindi ang owner na talaga namang G lang. At pinaunlakan ng ating interview kahit na sobrang busy nila sa araw na ito. Ano pang inaantay nyo? Tara na't makinig sa mga sagot na talaga namang makakatulong hindi lamang sa mga estudyante na tulad natin na may pangarap pagtayo ng business, kung hindi pati na rin sa kahit na sino.
Hi, I'm Cornelia Mangilit, the co-owner of Alara 360 Diner and Video Cafe San Joaquin, which is located at 241M Concepcion, San Joaquin, Pasig City.
When did you start the business?
We started last December 3, 2023.
Why did you choose this kind of business?
Nag-start kami dito, start siya talaga, mahilig kasi kaming kumain actually. So, nung nakita namin yung opportunity and yung ads niya sa Facebook na for sale tong area and for rent, then together yung Video Cafe is for franchise, doon namin ginab yung opportunity na makuha siya and mag-start ng own business.
What are the challenges that you face in the early stage of your business?
Actually, marami talagang difficulties nung first stage kasi hindi naman talaga kami into food industry. Actually, we have mga previous mga businesses like travel and tours. Then sa production din yung co-owner nito, which is my partner. So, step by step, mga difficulties including sa food, sa pag-manage, sa pagpapatakbo nitong business, then how to deal with the deliveries, kasama na rin yung sa mga nibigay ng mga staff na nakukuha namin. Kasama rin talaga.
What are the strategies that you can share in dealing with different difficulties or challenges in your business?
Regarding naman sa mga strategies, siguro as a first-time owner ng ganitong restaurant, ng food industry na ganito is always listen sa mga customers, especially kasi sila yung nakakatikim, nakakakain, nakaka-experience ng kung anong meron dito sa Video Cafe.
How do you define success for your business and how do you measure it?
Well, actually, I can't define success pa kasi wala pa kami doon. As a first-time, sabi ko nga, as a first-time restaurant, cafe owner, diner owner, slowly managing and slowly improving yung mga dishes. Siguro masasabi ko na lang talaga na successful is kung makikita ko siyang into franchising into more branches. Yeah.
You manage work-life balance while running business.
Managing work-life balance. I'll make sure to it na same time kahit na focus kami and kahit na nandito kami palagi sa diner, I'll make sure to it na once at a time na magkakaroon kami ng family bonding out of town, which is dapat hindi na ako compromise kung meron mang mga reservations na magaganap dito sa diner.
What do you think are the characteristics of a good business?
I think good characteristic is for me, yung marunong makinig and marunong umintindi, lalo na sa hindi lang naman customer ang laging priority. Kailangan din i-prioritize, lalong-lalo na yung mga kasama namin dito, staff, waiter, crew, cook, mula back to front ng front face ng mga nasa loob nitong business namin. Kailangan pinakikinggan din sila. Siyempre, kailangan din intindihin din sila.
What has been the most challenging aspect of running a business and how did you overcome?
Siguro nung umpisa, doon kami nagkaroon ng mga difficulties and na-overcome namin siya through helping each other. Yun nga masabi ko, ang makakatulong talaga sa akin is yung mga crew ko, mga staff, which is family na rin sa amin.
you ever experience any significant failures or setbacks? And what did you learn from them?
Yes, failures. Of course, nobody's perfect. Lahat naman nagfe-fail. Pero ang kagandahan lang doon, sa bawat failure, sa bawat setback, meron natututunan. And yung sa mga natututunan na yun, ginagamit ulit para sa susunod, hopefully, hindi na magkaroon ng failure. Nakaparehas nung naging failure before.
For your last question, ma'am, what would you recommend to anyone who wish to open their business?
Message to everyone, pag naisip nyo, gawin nyo. No hesitations. Pag naisip nyong gawin, naisip nyong gusto nyong gawin, gawin nyo. Yun lang.
Thank you.
Thank you.